Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So in this video, we're gonna be learn about Angular routes. So let's get started. So first, we're gonna be opening terminal or command panel in Windows, and then write npm-v. So to check the npm version, and then we're gonna be directed to the desktop and just ng new Angular or anything your project name. So I will type Angular, then click enter, then y and then css and let it be done. Then just close the terminal or the command panel. Let's see the Angular tab. Yeah, it's all right, it's all done. So then open the terminal and then again direct to desktop, then the Angular, and then just write code dot, or you can easily open in the VS Code. So the project has been open in VS Code. Now you can see the source, the app module, and the app component.html. So open app component.html, and we don't need this stuff. So let's delete this all. So command delete. Yeah. Now just press Command Shift and backquote key, and at write ng serve. Open a new terminal and write ng gc. G means generate, C means component, home. So it will ask for a few things. Just do it, yes, and then write ng gc second component, that is store. So it's done. Yeah. So now you can see the home and store components have been generated. So now we'll go to app routing module, and you can see the route section over here, and in the app module you can see it's already implemented. So now just go to app routing module and just write here as same as me, like path, then write double inverted comma home and comma, then write component and home component. It's not applied yet, so let's home component. So you can see over here the it's automatically added. My VS Code had done that. So then again path, then double inverted comma store comma component, and then store components. So yeah, it's the store components are already added. So now you can see the home and the store here, right, and here. And now we'll go to, so now we'll open Chrome and our local host, that is localhost 4200, and just write slash store component, so it shows the store works, and then slash home, so it shows the homework. Okay, all right, it's good. Now just go to our VS Code, and in the HTML section we'll write HTML, simple HTML, then body, and then we'll write ahref. So it's a way that we can add this as a button. So if we click home, then it will go for home, and it will click store, so it will go for store. So ahref slash home, and just break it, and ahref store and store. Now let's go to Chrome and just check this how it's work. So yeah, we are on the, so we'll click home, so it says homework, and when we click on store, so it says store works. So it's working absolutely fine. Now just we'll go on a VS Code, and we just add a simple title for H1, that is um, r- routing in Angular. So yeah, we'll just check over here. Yeah, it's there. It's look now good. Then we'll go on a home section and a home component HTML. Now we'll write here in a paragraph a p tag, hello, this is home work. homework. Yeah. So as you can see, if you click on home, this is a homework, and if you click on the store, there's nothing here. So they are the different components, as you can see. And then we'll go for a second method. So this is the official method by this routing. So we'll make a bracket and then write router L capital length, then equals to double inverted comma bracket and a single inverted comma and slash home. Same in bottom. In the store section, we'll copy this, and when go for store, and there we'll paste it and just change the home to store. So we'll go back to Chrome and just take it. We'll click on home, so it says homework. We'll click on store, it says store work. If you like this video, click on a like button, and if you're new, click on the subscribe for latest updates. Thank you. Bye bye.